seeing me in this position really lets people know it's possible. I'm not super special. I didn't have like a ton of help along the way. I just kind of figured it out. And if I can do it, truly anyone can. The Seeing Me in Media program is something that's really special to me because what it does is brings together students from diverse backgrounds who are first gen, or they're students of color, or they're new to the college experience, and they are aspiring media professionals. And it pairs those students with working executives in media who also look like them, sound like them, have the same lived experiences as them. And for a few months, we've got this great mentorship and mentee relationship. I'm really honored to be executive in residence for Seeing Me in Media. My involvement is honestly just to be around for the students, to be a sounding board for them to ask me questions, for them to bounce things off of me, to just talk about like where they want to go, where they're at now. What's really cool about this experience now is that I kind of get to mentor everybody. So I've had students stop me in the hall. I've had students hit me up on LinkedIn. I've got, I think, at least 6 meetings scheduled for tomorrow alone with USC students that are part of the Seeing Me in Media program. So I'm not dedicated to one person, but I do get to like dabble around in everybody's lives. My company, POV Agency, is involved in Seeing Me in Media in that we are partners with this really amazing mentorship program this year. We're doing lunch with a lot of leaders where everybody on my team, from interns to the people at the top, are going to be answering questions, sharing our experiences with students that are in the Seeing Me in Media mentorship program. In speaking to the students, one of the most important things that I talk about is determining what they want to do in their careers and what they don't want to do in their career. I remember when I was back at SC in 2000, I was a broadcast journalism major here, and I was so sure that I was going to be on camera, just like this right now. And so I was interning at Good Morning America, and honestly, I hated it. I hated it so much. I was like, oh my God, what do I want to do with my life? I'm a junior. So I took an intro to PR class with Professor Howard Bragman, and I fell in love with it. There was this practice that I didn't even know existed, and he opened up a whole new world for me. And he was offering internships at his company at the time, which was called Bragman, Nyman, Caffarelli. And I interned and I fell in love. And that's how I started my career in public relations. That's how I figured out, that was important to me to figure out what I don't like and what I do like, because I feel like people are so focused on like, I gotta find my passion, I gotta find the thing that gets me up in the morning, that they discount feelings of discomfort or I don't like this. It's so important to figure out what you don't want to do so then you don't settle. I feel like all of those different things that happened in my career, from being at a PR agency in entertainment to representing like Clorox and Hidden Valley Ranch at Sundance Film Festival, to working in a high-end flower shop for the florist that did the Emmys, to being a phone psychic for 6 months, to doing flower delivery like out of the back of my car. All of those things contributed to the person I am today, the professional I am today, but most importantly, the human I am today. So Annenberg absolutely helped me because there were so many different touch points for me to like try on to see, does this fit? Does this fit? Does this fit? So it absolutely did.